About the authors. James Reinders is a consultant with more than 3 decades of experience in parallel computing and is an author, co-author, editor of 10 technical books related to parallel programming. He has had the great fortune to help make key contributions to 2 of the world's fastest computers, number 1 on the TOP 500 list, as well as many other supercomputers and software developer tools. James finished 10,001 days, over 27 years, at Intel in mid-2016, and he continues to write, teach, program, and consult in areas related to parallel computing, HPC and AI. Ben Ashbaugh is a software architect at Intel Corporation where he has worked for over 20 years developing software drivers for Intel graphics products. For the past 10 years, Ben has focused on parallel programming models for general-purpose computation on graphics processors, including SYCL and DPC++. Ben is active in the Khronos SYCL, OpenCL, and SPIR working groups, helping to define industry standards for parallel programming, and he has authored numerous extensions to expose unique Intel GPU features. James Broadman is a software engineer at Intel Corporation working on runtimes and compilers for parallel programming, and he is one of the architects of DPC++. He has a PhD in computer science from the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Michael Kinsner is a principal engineer at Intel Corporation developing parallel programming languages and models for a variety of architectures, and he is one of the architects of DPC++. He contributes extensively to spatial programming models and compilers, and is an Intel representative within the Khronos Group where he works on the SYCL and OpenCL industry standards for parallel programming. Mike has a PhD in computer engineering from McMaster University, and is passionate about programming models that cross architectures while still enabling performance. John Pennycook is an HPC application engineer at Intel Corporation, focused on enabling developers to fully utilize the parallelism available in modern processors. He is experienced in optimizing and parallelizing applications from a range of scientific domains, and previously served as Intel's representative on the steering committee for the Intel Extreme Performance Users Group, IXPUG. John has a PhD in computer science from the University of Warwick. His research interests are varied, but a recurring theme is the ability to achieve application performance portability across different hardware architectures. Zinman Tien is a senior principal engineer and compiler architect at Intel Corporation, and serves as Intel's representative on OpenMP Architecture Review Board, ARB. He is responsible for driving OpenMP offloading, vectorization, and parallelization compiler technologies for current and future Intel architectures. His current focus is on LLVM-based OpenMP offloading, DPC++ compiler optimizations for Intel ONIA PI toolkits for CPU and Z accelerators, and tuning HPC, AI application performance. He has a PhD in computer science, holds 27 U.S. patents, has published over 60 technical papers with over 1,200 citations of his work, and has co-authored 2 books that span his expertise.